Book your flights on Tuesday for the cheapest fares. It is the most repeated piece of travel advice on the internet. Millions of people religiously wait until Tuesday afternoon to hit the purchase button. But that advice is wrong today. By waiting for a specific day of the week, you are likely skipping over available fares and ultimately paying more. To be fair to the people giving you this advice, it used to be true. In the 1990s and early 2000s, airlines updated their computer reservation systems manually on a strict weekly schedule. Major carriers would load their new fare sales into the system on Monday evening. Competing airlines would see those prices and match them by Tuesday morning. So, by Tuesday afternoon, the maximum number of discounted tickets were live in the system. That pattern lasted for about 15 years. But the industry has moved to real-time processing that renders the 7-day cycle irrelevant. Waiting for a Tuesday discount today makes as much sense as calling a travel agent from a rotary phone to book your trip. The manual weekly updates have been replaced by revenue management systems, or RMS. These are software networks that evaluate seat inventory second by second. When buying a standard ticket, you might think you are paying a flat economy rate. In reality, a single flight can have anywhere from 15 to 26 different hidden pricing tiers. Economy has over 10 pricing tiers, or fare buckets, coded Y, B, M, T, and V. Each has limited seats. The cheapest fill quickly. Once sold out, the system locks that tier. The next buyer is bumped to a more expensive bucket. That is why the exact same seat on the exact same flight might cost $200 on Monday and $450 on Tuesday. It has nothing to do with the calendar day. It just means the cheap bucket drained to zero overnight. Controlling those buckets are real-time AI models built by tech companies like Pros and Amadeus. These machine learning algorithms never sleep. They monitor inventory and adjust ticket prices dozens of times per day, operating 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The AI is simultaneously analyzing current booking speeds, scraping competitor prices, checking jet fuel costs, and pulling in weather forecasts and historical demand patterns. When a supercomputer is evaluating hundreds of variables every millisecond to predict exactly when a route will surge in popularity, Tuesday becomes a meaningless metric. The machine does not offer blanket discounts just for a specific day of the week. While the day you hit purchase has virtually no impact on your fare, the day you physically board the plane absolutely does. Flights departing on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays consistently price out cheaper. It comes down to who is flying. Corporate travelers reliably book flights for Monday mornings and Thursday evenings. Weekend vacationers crowd the airports on Friday nights and Sunday afternoons. The AI knows that demand drops midweek, so it lowers the price to incentivize travelers to fill those empty seats. But beyond the day you fly, the single largest factor driving airfare down is direct competition on a specific route. When a low-cost carrier like Spirit or Southwest starts flying out of a regional airport, it triggers what the industry calls the budget carrier effect. The legacy airlines' algorithms detect the new competitor and are forced to drop their own fares by 15 to 30% just to stay competitive. Real-world market forces, like a new airline entering your airport or a sudden drop in passenger demand, are the only levers that truly force the algorithm to offer you a discount. Data from fare tracking platforms shows there is a measurable sweet spot for booking. For domestic flights within the U.S., you want to secure your ticket 1 to 3 months before departure. For international trips, aim for 2 to 8 months out. Waiting until the last 1 to 2 weeks almost guarantees you will pay a premium. The AI is programmed to recognize last-minute bookings as corporate travelers flying on the company dime, and it hikes the price accordingly because they are less sensitive to cost. To beat these systems, you have to use modern tools. Check flexible date grids on sites like Google Flights to view pricing trends across an entire month and set up automated price alerts. Let the software monitor the algorithm for you around the clock. And always calculate the final price tag before you celebrate a deal. Airlines have trained their algorithms to advertise low base fares by unbundling necessities like carry-on bags and seat selection into separate fees. The machines setting ticket prices do not take days off. The most effective travel strategy you can use today is to abandon the Tuesday myth entirely. Know your budget, set your alerts, and the exact moment you see a fare that works for you, book